My name's Eric Morris. I work at American Electric Power, been there 27 years, and I'm the customer programs manager there. About 4 years ago, we started looking at offering other services other than the traditional electric services. And the warranty products was something that was at the top of our list. We have never offered a warranty program, so this was something that was very interesting to us. It offers a great opportunity for the utilities because of the fact that we offer something outside of traditional electric services, and it provides something for our customers that actually helps our customer satisfaction ratings. We talk to other clients, other customers, find out what they use. We checked ratings, and at the end of the day, HomeServe was the best opportunity for us. I did visit the call center 3 years ago. As part of the vetting process, I've got 15 years or so in the call center, so I do get a good eye view of what to expect, and I know what I'm looking at when I'm talking to somebody about the call centers. I was very impressed with the operations there. It's a really nice facility, great people, and the way that they handle their business there is fantastic. They treated the customers wonderfully. They were friendly, they were courteous, they were informative to the customer. It's fantastic. I get feedback on a monthly basis. I get reports on a monthly basis, and within those reports are embedded customer quotes, their satisfaction levels. It allows me to keep my finger on the pulse of how our customers are feeling. I had a situation, a surge situation with the TV, and I called HomeServe quietly, didn't want anybody to know who I was, and the call center was so professional. They dispatched a contractor. The contractor came to the house. He was great. They fixed the TV. They went on their way. I had a wonderful experience. And then at the end of that, I got a phone call saying, "How was your experience?" So overall, it was just fantastic. Very seamless, very smooth. We have a very good partnership.